Once you've moved your video onto your computer and you've opened Windows Movie Maker, the first thing you're going to have to do is import the video clip into Windows Movie Maker. So you go searching for it in your computer system, and I've just got a sample file here I'm going to bring in, hit import, and it puts the clip up here onto the panel. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to drag it down into the video timeline. So now you've got a video sitting in your timeline ready for editing. The next thing that you might want to be able to do is to edit the video. Take a little bit off the end or off the beginning, maybe take a chunk out in the middle. So the way you do this is with your video file down in the timeline, you can pick a spot somewhere and use the split button over here to chop a bit of the video off. If it was a piece in the middle, you would take another piece here and make another split. This way you can come in and you can select a chunk in the middle and hit delete to make it go away. There, you've just edited your video. Now you may want to bring in another video clip or perhaps a picture and add that into your movie as well. We're just going to bring in another piece of video here, and we'll drag it down onto the timeline as well. At the same time, we'll get rid of this here sample, and we'll bring in a real video. And we'll drag that down, put it in at the front of that one there. So now we've got the two videos stacked together. The next thing we want to do is we want to publish this video. And this is a place where you have to be very careful about what it is, how it is you're going to distribute the video. So we'll select Publish to this computer. You browse to determine where you want to actually publish it to, what folder on your computer you want to put it, and you're going to need a file name. On the next screen you get some choices about how you want the movie to be produced. There aren't that many ways to manipulate it yourself, but if you're going to put it up on the internet, you have to remember that you're going to want to compress it a significant amount. If we look down at the items here, 640 by 480 pixels, that's pretty large for most people to be downloading. And 30 frames per second. We are going to be okay with 15 ourselves, so let's keep bringing down the number of megabytes that we want the video to come to. And here we have it down at 15 frames per second. And it estimates that the video is going to be about 5 megabytes in size. So that's not too bad. And we'll hit publish. Depending on the length of the video, the publishing can take a bit of time as it renders the raw video that it's got into the format that you've asked for. And then we're finished.